Welcome to all for our today's session. So, in our previous session, we have discussed about initial setting, which is very important, very required to prepare any schedule, and we have seen how to set the calendar, how to uh, create a new calendar, how to copy and create a existing calendar, and how to do the modifications in the existing calendar. So like making Saturday as a non-working Saturday as a working day, and adding holidays. So all these things we have seen in our previous session. So in this session, what we'll see how to simply how to enter the activities and how to create the WBS. So this is a key thing. Please just see carefully the screen. So first task will start entering it from the first row. Okay, so there is nothing is available here. It's a blank row. So we'll just type. Say we have started one project. So yesterday we given name as XYZ project. So XY, I'll type it as XYZ project. This is my heading title of the project. Okay. So now you can see it is by default it is coming first 1 day duration, and we can see the start date is showing as 1st April 26. So hope you remember that yesterday we are given the setting that our schedule should start from start date of the project. So and our as per the setting, our start date is 1st April 26. So now I'll not enter any duration. I'll just enter the task. Okay. So first I kept it as XYZ project. I'll make this as a WBS. Okay. So in our introduction session, we have understood what is the WBS and all. So I'll not again discuss those things. So I'll make this XYZ project as a main WBS. Under that, I'll create one more WBS, preliminaries. Preliminary. Okay. So under the preliminaries, I'll create two some activities. Say for example, issue of LOA, LOI. Then handing over of site, handing over of handing over of. Just simply we have to type as how we are typing in. Nothing else. Okay. So now I have created 5 activities. So in that 2 activities, I want to make it as a milestone, or we can say I want to make it as a WBS. So what we will do? So our main WBS is XYZ project. So all other activities I want to bring under XYZ project. Okay. So I'll select. I'll move my cursor to that row preliminaries, and then I'll press shift and arrow down button, or directly from the mouse also you can do. Okay. Click shift and put arrow down button, press arrow down button on your keyboard, and then go to task menu. Okay. Click on the task menu. So when you click on the task menu, there are so many options are available. You move your cursor to this option here where you can see indent task, indent task. So again, I'm repeating, it is indent task. Hmm. So here you can see right arrow button, or that means it is to the right side, it will shift. So other shortcut it is given alt shift right. So that also you can use alt shift right. Okay. So now we have selected three activities under the XYZ project. So these three activities we want to bring below under the XYZ project. So I will click on this button, indent task, right button. Okay. So now we can observe that XYZ project is highlighted, it became bold, and under this, and there is some gap is created, some indent is created from left side, and the activities comes under this XYZ. So now what you have to do, move your cursor here near the XYZ project. In the left corner, you can see a small arrow button. If you click on this arrow button, so everything will get collapsed. Okay. So this means that all other activities is grouped in XYZ now. So all these activities comes under XYZ now. So again, you can click on the same arrow button. It will open it. So it is just simple like that. Now we have to bring this another two activities under the preliminaries. So select, move your cursor to issue of LOE. Click on the arrow down button on the keyboard and again go to task menu. Go to task menu. Click on the right indent button. Click on the right indent. Okay. So now same changes happen. What happened to the XYZ project? Same changes happen. So preliminaries became bold and the activities, other two activities displayed below this preliminary. So now again move your cursor to your the small arrow button and click and see. Now you can see the entire other two activities comes under preliminaries. If you click on the XYZ corner button, so you can see it is getting merged in that. So this is how the WBS are created now. This is the one WBS preliminaries and under that XYZ project is another WBS. So when you come to in this indent, there is one more option is the left indent. Okay, outdent. It is also called outdent task. So the shortcut button is Alt Shift left. Okay. So how to use that? That also we'll see now. So now you have created one WBS, main WBS, and another WBS you have created. The second level WBS you have created. So now we have to create one more WBS. So if you come and type here, the next row, if you type, say you have to type mobilization. Okay, mobilization, mobilization. This is one activity. This is one WBS. If you type press enter, it will automatically get created under this preliminary. Okay, but my mobilization is a separate WBS under the XYZ project. Then what we have to do? That left indent we have to use. So again, go back to task menu, click on, come to this left indent and click on left indent or outdent task. Okay, click here. So now you can see this is moved left side. Mobilization moved left side. So under the mobilization, then now we have to just type it. What are the mobilization we have to do? Temporary offices, temporary offices, equipment, equipment, staff, workmen. Okay. So these are the mobilization we are going to do. So now again, same this all these other tasks we should come under mobilization. Now everything is seen and under the same line. So now we have to shift this task under mobilization. So just click on the temporary office, click press the shift arrow down button, again go to task menu, click on indent task, right side, right arrow mark, right indent. So click here. So now we can see clearly these all the four tasks comes under mobilization. Got it? So this is so again same way. So other way also we can do. Next activity, say design and drawing. Say design and okay, design and drawing. Just enter the structure drawing, some structure drawing, then superstructure drawing, structure drawing. So now substructure and superstructure will bring under design and drawing. Okay. So click select. So as I said, select this two, select this two, go to task menu, click on right element. So now this comes in design and drawing. But here you can see the design is drawing is coming under mobilization. So if you click on the mobilization arrow button, so entire activity it will go under mobilization. So that means mobilizations comes this drawing design and drawing comes under mobilization. But no, for practical purpose, we don't want drawing and design under mobilization. It should be a separate WBS. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to bring left side, design and drawing left side. Okay. So what we'll do? Go to the small arrow button, just collapse the two tasks, and then go to task in the left index. Click on the left index. So now the entire WBS along with the two activities is shifted left side. Okay. So this is how we'll create the WBS and task. Suppose you want to add any task in between. Same like Excel, just click, right click, move your cursor here and just right click, insert the, so one new task is created. Now here you have to go and you have to type what will type homework material. Say or okay. So you can see this option. So how you are inserted, same way you can delete also. Same way you can delete also. And you can use undo options also. Same. So it has same as similar to our other MS application files. Here one more option is available, inactive. So you can make this a task as inactive also. If you give any link, any changes also, it will not change. It will be visible, the task will be visible, but it is inactive. So how we want to use, we can use this option. Okay. So now these details are not available, means like duration is showing 1 and question mark, and we can see predecessor is blank. So predecessor is nothing but it is the link. It is link between two activities or what we are discussed in the first chapter. It is about relationship between activities. So now in the next chapter, we'll see how to enter the duration, how to enter the predecessor. These options we'll see in the next session. So thank you for watching our channel and please subscribe, get updated We'll upload all the complete MSc lectures for learning purpose. Thank you.